My most humble pranams at the beautiful feet of our Lord Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Sai Ram to all. One day we had another interview. Swami had called my family inside, and in those days, it was very common for Swami. I think even later on, that Swami would always create and give some locket, rings, or chains to the people in the interview. My family, most of us had received something from Swami. My mother had a locket, my brother had one. So one day when Swami created this pendant for my brother, I was also standing there and he had not given me anything. So I went up to him and I said, Swami, I would also like to have a ring or a locket. You have given all my family members. Only for me you have not given. Swami, please give me one also. And he turned and looked at me and he said, Enduku, why? I said, Swami, please, Swami, I want a ring from you. And he looked at me very seriously and he said, I will not give you anything. I will not give you anything created, but I give you myself. This was Swami's blessing to me. And then in that same interview, I had come from Anandapur. My first semester exams were over, and I had my progress report in my bag. So in the middle of the interview, Swami saw the progress report and he pulled it out and he looked at all the marks and then he asked me, first in class? I said, yes, Swami. And then I said, it has a column at the bottom, parent, guardian signature. And I wanted Swami to sign it. Remember, I told you before when we had our first interview and Swami gave the application form for my father to sign, and he said we do not have any local guardian for her in Anandapur. Then Swami said, put my name, and my father literally signed Sri Satya Sai Baba. So Swami was speaking to somebody else, and I told him, Swami, please sign my report. Then he said, Enduku, why? Your parents are here, your mother is here, your father is here, your parents, guardians are here. Ask them to sign, he said. And he turned back to speak to somebody in the interview room. So I was silent for a few moments and then suddenly I had this brainwave. So I went near Swami and I tapped him on his arms and he said, Swami, please, yes, my parents are here, my guardians are here, but are you not my God, Swami? And Swami looked at me and he said, what? What did you say? And his eyes were big, big, shining, And he said, Swami, you are my God, isn't it, Swami? Can you deny that? And Swami said, give. And he took my progress report and signed on it with a flourish, Sri Satya Sai Baba, and gave it to me. And over the years when I got married and there were so many problems and troubles in my life, as usual for everyone. And it was during those times, that this signature has kept me alive. I have places in my puja room, framed it as a reminder of those moments with Swami. And many times my husband would ask me, how many people in this world have got a signed guarantee from Bhagwan himself that he is your parent guardian? Don't worry, Swami is never going to leave us. He will always be your parent. And this has given me the strength and courage to go through many troubles in my life. To be continued. Jai Sai Ram. Swami's blessings to all of you.